Lorry. Okay, here. Can you see the picture? Okay. So can you point where is the bus? Very good. Okay. Where is the mountain? Mountain. Where is the mountain? Very good. Okay. What about, can you see a girl riding a bike? Can you point?
Yes.
Where is it? Yes. Okay, correct. Can you point where is the traffic light? Where is it? Okay, that's great. Now, what is this?
Sun.
Okay, sun. Okay. And how about this one? What is this? Helicopter. Yes, I will put the sun next to the helicopter. Okay. Where is the helicopter?
The helicopter is next to the sun.
Very good. Now, can you look for the watch? Where is the watch? Can you get the watch? Yes. Okay. Can you put the watch next to the girl? Wow, very good. Can you say something more about the watch?
The watch is next to the girl.
Okay, the watch is next to the girl. Okay, what can you say about the watch? Can you tell me something about the color?
It's pink and
Pink and what else?
yellow.
Wow, very good. It's pink and yellow. Okay. Now, can you look where is the pear? Okay. Now, put the pear next to the train. Next to the train. Okay, very good. Now, where is the pear?
The pear is next to the tree.
Very good. Okay, now, where is the potato? Okay, so put the potato under the helicopter. Under the helicopter. Okay, where is the potato?
The potato is under the helicopter.
Wow, fantastic. Okay, now, what is this?
The chair.
Okay, a chair. Can you help me put the chair on the bus? On the bus. Where is the chair? The chair is on the bus. Okay. Now, where is the chair?
The chair is on the bus.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's go back to the watch. Can you put the watch? Okay, can you put the watch on the lorry? Put the watch on the lorry. Okay, where is the lorry? are you scared of what's this?
Frog.
Are you scared of frog? No. Okay, that's great. All right. Now, what is this?
Potato.
Do you like potato?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. What is this?
Pear.
Okay. What is the color?
Brown.
Brown and
Green.
green. Do you like pear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now, Peter, do you have brothers and sisters? Do you have brothers and sisters?
A sister.
Oh, you have a sister. Oh, okay. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Yellow. Okay.